step into the Cadillac 2016 SRX Luxury Collection. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: driver awareness package, memory package, preferred equipment group 1SB, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo with single-disc CD player, Bose Centerpoint Surround Sound 10-speaker system, CD player and MP3 decoder. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.